Hello and welcome back. All right, we're on day number 6. So let's have a fun. Oh, I've seen it. There it is. Let's move this to one side. What's in this one? Very flat one. And we have got, ooh, yes, I remember these. These are coming out. Oops, I've split the bag. Little. Oh, I don't know if they're stickers or if they're, I think they're stickers. Yes, they're stickers. These little wintry wreaths. I thought they were really pretty. Oh, I'm looking forward to using those. Let's get started. I've pulled out one of our images from day number 4. And I'm just trying out which one I like. Let me just see if I can show you, get that in focus a little bit more. So there's that one. I can't decide. They're all nice, aren't they? Oh, I like that one. Let's go for that one. Okay. So I'm going to use that from my images. Let's find some of the words that came with number 4 as well. Which one works? Let's see. Time to hibernate, I think. Yeah, I like that. Okay, so to put those to one side again, we'll start with the image this time before we go into the journal. So let's peel our sticker, if I can. I haven't got many nails. Oh, I've got it. Haha. Okay. Let's pop it down around her. I think they're really cool. And the time to hibernate, I think I want a bit like yesterday. This is a strip of paper that I've fabric that I've kind of painted on. Something like that, or do I put it down the bottom? Maybe down the bottom, like that, I think. So let's glue that on. And grab my stapler, if I can find where that's gone. Here it is. I might just grab as well, hang on, another bit of our lace. And I might have that hanging down. That's quite nice, isn't it? Oh, come on, glue. Oh, for some reason my glue does not want to come out. Oh, there we go, got it. Okay, so we've got our image. Now we just need to work on adding it to a page. Right, I've got some masking tape, which I'm going to use to start putting down some texture. Just working on this side because I think that image is going to go over here. And I've also got this old drywall tape, which is kind of aged, but I like it. It's great for adding texture. It's going to need some masking tape to hold it down because it's lost its sticky. That, and we'll grab some gesso and that will pick up that texture lovely. And also help hold it down onto the page. Right, that's looking good. I really love the crisscrossy checker effect that the drywall tape has. Okay, let's give that a dry. Okay, now I'm going to add some watercolours. I love this colour, this in the Woodland set Prima Marketing, which is called Mist. And it's this beautiful bluey green colour. But look how it picks up that texture. That's lovely. And because we've got sort of brown's sepia look in the photograph, I'm also going to then bring in, like this one, Cavern. This colour's called. And there's a deeper brown here called Bear. I might actually put some over on the edge of this because it's a little white. Just to bring it in a little bit. This one's Redwood. Just a touch of that here and there. Okay, another quick dry. Right, let's stick down our photo. Okay, and I think that's all this one really needs. Oh, my page is starting to tear because I've made it a little bit wet, so just need to fix that up. Just a bit of masking tape, no problem. Sorted. Okay, so that is my page done for the day. I hope you've enjoyed that, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.